Good morning, Trek team. Today we came to one of my favorite spots. It's a great spot in Lockport, and you're going to see people coming in and out as I'm talking, because this is the YMCA. Yes, it is the YMCA of Lockport, and we have students that are coming in here for day camp. We have men who have been walking around that come in here afterwards. You know there's a swimming pool here. It's an awesome place. The mission of the Young Men's Christian Association, YMCA, is to put Christian principles into practice through programs which build healthy spirit, mind, and body for all. And they do that here. There's a fitness center, they have foosball tables, they have camp, summer camp, youth recreation. But the reason why I'm here is because of that big Y. It reminds me of the Y-axis on a coordinate plane. Coordinate plane people sometimes call a graph. It's a grid, and it has two number lines. These number lines cross right at 0. So if you can, I hope you can see this with the sun. This is +1, +2, +3, 4, and so on. And on this side of the number line, -1, -2, -3, and so on. We have another number line coming up this way. So this would be +1, +2, +3, and so on. -1, -2, -3, and so on. Notice that this crosses right here. This is called the point of origin, and that is at 0, 0. I'll talk about points in a minute. Notice this separates this grid into 4 parts. We call these parts quadrants. And we label them with Roman numerals. Always Roman numerals. So this is quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. Notice if I were to plot a point, and this is what we're supposed to be doing here. You're going to locate or graph points on a coordinate plane by using this Y-axis. See how the Y is real long, and this is the X-axis. It goes across, and you're going to use that to plot a point. Points are in an XY configuration. Must have a parentheses around it. Notice the X always comes first, just like in the alphabet. And our X's only move right or left. See the X line? It can only go right or left. These are X lines. So if I were to move right or left, think about crossing the street. You have to look right or left first before you can go up and down the street. So this is right or left. This one is up or down. So let's erase some of this and see if you can see how to plot a point. So if I had 3, -2, remember the X comes first. I'm going to start at my point of origin. Go right or left. I'm going to go right 3, 1, 2, 3, and then down because it's a -2. There is my point. 3, -2. All right, everybody understand? It's very easy. Just make sure your X comes first. Let's try one right on the Y-axis. So let's do a 0, 3. That means I'm not going to go right or left, 0. But I am going to go up 3. 1, 2, 3. And there's my point. Notice I have a parentheses and a comma. Last thing, especially for 7th and 8th graders, last thing you need to do, because we're going to be talking about translation pretty soon, is you need to know X's always go right. These are their directions, or left. And if they go right, they're positive. If they go left, they're negative. Y's go up or down. If they go up, they're very positive. They're high. They're up, and down is negative. So why don't you come to the Y? Come for a swim, join a club. But remember, when you see that Y, YMCA, think of your Y-axis are the lines going this way, The X's go out this way. And we will truck again tomorrow.